Alright guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys the Tung 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 choreography. Right, so that's the Tung Tung choreography. It's very easy. I'm going to be breaking it down for you guys on how to do it. But before we move further, if you are new to this channel, please tap the subscribe button, drop a comment, like and share. And for my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to view my videos. I really appreciate it. Okay, so let's get started. So the dance is not very difficult, it's very easy. So the first move, so it's, first of all, you hop, boom. So you're hopping with the right leg forward, meanwhile the left leg is actually propelling you, moving you forward. So it's like 1, 2, 3. So it's like 1, 2, 3. You get it? Watch me closely. It's 1, 2, 3. What did I say? It's 1, 2, 3. So tiptoe first together with the left leg. As you're going is 1, tiptoe, 2, the heels, 3, you come out. You see it again. 1, 2, 3. Now when you're done with 1, 2, 3, you go tap with the heels, right leg, left leg. Then you tap with your hand, right hand, left hand. Watch closely from the top. 1, 2, 3. Right leg, left leg, right hand hitting your lap, your right lap, left hand hitting your left lap, and the next thing is guara guara. 1, 2, 3, bounce it up. So you go 1, 2, 3, bounce up and hit. You get it? So 1, 2, bounce, hit, and better kick. The better kick, you kick, stop, like halfway kick, like you're trying to pass a ball. Pass, you understand? So you kick, stop, and you go 1, 2. So forward, backwards. Once you're done with 1, 2, the next thing is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Look around. Then hambawena. So you go 1, 2, and just leave. From the top slowly. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, guara guara, bounce, go down, better kick, stop. So you kick it, stop, then go 1, 2, and 3. So it's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, then after that you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You look around, the hambawena. So you go 1, 2. Hambawena is like the heels. So the heels, as it moves, you move your left leg. So the right heels on the floor, the left leg. So this one, as it goes like this, you move your left leg. You go, you move. So it's just like you're moving. So you're going ka, ka. So when you make it faster, it's going to be like this. That's hambawena. One more time from the top. 1, 2, 3. Hey, 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 hey. 1, 2, bounce. Hit it. Weather. 1, 2, 3. Hey, 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 hey. Look around. Hambawena. And that's all. Let's do that with the music. Now dance with me. Let's go. Let's go. Guara guara. That's it. All right, guys. So that's the Tung 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 choreography. I hope you learned something today. And if you didn't, just rewind, take the video back and watch it closely, okay? So with all that said, we've come to the end of today's tutorial. If you are a new subscriber, please tap the subscribe button, drop a comment, share, like. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate it. So if you really enjoyed this tutorial, I want you to drop a comment telling me the next choreography you want to learn. Trust me, if I see any other training choreos and I know most of you want to learn it, I'll bring it over for you guys here, okay? So thank you so much for staying back to watch this tutorial. We'll be getting you more tutorials moving forward. And that's it. I remember humble self, Danceglitch. See you. Bye. Let me just do it. Tung 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 Sahur.